We have 4 bales of wheat straw. We made holes in them and put a 1/4 cup of fertilizer and water in them every day. We do this for 10 or 15 days before we put a plant in. Can you give any advice on growing in straw? Thank you so much. And this is from Bobby in Crump, Tennessee. So any advice for growing plants in bales of wheat straw?
Yeah, you know, there's a lot of different thoughts on conditioning the wheat bales, just like he's doing. He's putting 1/4 of a cup of fertilizer and watering it every day for about 14 days. Some people just plain water it and don't put any fertilizer down. And then other people have regimens of certain, you know, this day you do this fertilizer and water, and then you don't, you know, for so many days. But one thing that I would recommend for him is if he is putting fertilizer in it, especially in the beginning, the first few days that he's going to be putting fertilizer in there, that it have high nitrogen, because the idea of conditioning the bale is to get it to start to decompose. And it's going to need a lot of nitrogen to do that decomposing. So I would have a fertilizer with a little bit higher nitrogen in it for that purpose.
So would I. So I'm talking maybe urea or ammonium sulfate.
Or just, something like that.
What about fish emulsion or
and if you want to go organically, yes, you can do that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're almost all nitrogen.
That's
and
exactly
that's what you're
right.
looking for, right?
Right.
Because you want to get this broken down. Right.
Yeah. Now he's trying to plant in it. Now some people will they condition it enough and they'll just dig a hole in it and they'll start planting. I personally prefer to put some topsoil or some potting soil or something on the top.
Compost, right?
Compost, anything that they've got, because that's going to have a little bit more water holding capacity and kind of seal the top of that straw bale, but also it gives a little bit more medium for the plant to start growing at first.
Yeah.
But then it can go ahead and get into the
retaining that moisture is so important because, of course, once we get to the summer, you're going to need to water that probably daily.
Yes.
Daily. But everybody's doing this now.
Everybody. Yes.
So I'm thinking I might.
A lot of good
try
success with straw bale gardening.
Okay.
Yes.
But just make sure it has to be fertilized and watered. Right.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so there you have it, Mr. Bobby. Thanks for the question. Good luck to you, okay? And one last thing I'd like to mention, though, with the wheat straw bales, you don't have to worry about weeding, for the most part.
No.
All right.
That's right, yeah. That is a
So,
good
I
point.
mean, that's an advantage.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, it's an advantage of doing the wheat straw.
Yeah.
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 It's no weeding.
It's raised.
That's
too.
right, and it's raised, right.
Yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.